Invalo has plenty of video resources. 60,000 new resources were added just within the past week. There are over 10 million resources in total, and 3 million are videos. In this video, I'm going to share how to use the free online resources for video editing. So now I'm open the Google browser, and we search Mixkit.com. So on this website, there are plenty of the videos, sound effects, and music, or whatever. So some of them are free, some of them are charged. So for example, let me search the word sunset. Okay, so here, for example, we can see this amazing moment, and even this one. So it's with the Envato watermark, and if we want to remove it, the fees of subscription is 14.5 euro per month. And so these are actually the plan. But if we don't want to pay the money, so we can go down and then to see, for example, this type of the resources. Let's click this one. We can hit download free HD ready video. Yeah, we can hit download. Yeah, and now it's downloaded. So for this piece of moment is lifetime free, even for commercial or non-commercial purpose. So likewise, if we want to search for the seashore, for example, yeah, here we can get lots of related moment of the seashore. For example, this one, we hit, and then the same practice download for free, right? That's everything. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best.